Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a weekly plan with me in my journal, my daily guided journal. So I'm going to use the encouragement stickers and one of these new mega sticker books, the pastels. I actually put my black metal discs on this planner, so this is going to be just my journal. For this month, I am going to be using the wellness guided journal. Last month, I used the Teresa Collins Be Happy Box journal. So I want to kind of gear this month towards my wellness. I kind of feel like there are just some things that I need to be focusing on for myself. So this encouragement book, sticker book, is perfect. I want to find like a really good self-motivating quote. So I'm just going to flip through here and see what I can find. There's lots of quotes in here. Let's see what I can find. I love this sticker book. There's just so much in here for just any kind of self-improvement. So this Make Yourself Proud sticker actually perfectly matches the habit trackers that are on this page. So I don't think it could have worked out any better for a sticker. Now I do want to, I'm going to grab some of these little hearts here just to kind of decorate the quote a little bit. And I'm probably going to end up finding a second quote just to fill this page. But the encouragement sticker book is just, it's perfect. I love everything about it. And the color scheme in this sticker book matches this wellness gratitude or wellness guided journal perfectly. So I'm going to grab some stickers that say quiet time. Top priority is me. So what I'm doing when I'm picking these stickers is I'm looking at the left page just to see kind of what the prompts are. And I'm just choosing little stickers that might go well with the prompt. And then this little blue sticker actually says word of the week. So I thought it would be kind of cute to choose a new word each week. But this will actually be, I don't know what this word will be. So we'll think of something good that'll be good and encouraging for myself. Now this sticker, the little pink one, has a clock on it and it says make time to. So I think I'll just fill that in with something that I need to improve on this week. So let's see what else we can find. I like that there's already habit trackers on here. If you've watched any of my other guided journal weekly plan with me's, you know that I have been putting the habit tracker stickers on it. So this layout actually already has 3 habit trackers for us. And then I thought these little stars would be cute down on the left page where it says ways to take care of myself. I thought maybe those little stars would be cute as icons. So I'm just kind of putting some ideas on my wax paper. And now I know I want to start with this quote. So I'm going to take Make Yourself Proud and put up here in the top left hand corner. But this is a job not for tweezers. This kind of sticker just, I needed to do it by hand. So there, I got it straight. Sometimes they're too big to use with tweezers. So, and of course, if you watched any of my other videos, you know I've got to smooth that sticker out. And it just looks so much better. So I thought it would be cute to kind of outline the Make Yourself Proud with just some hearts that kind of match the whole layout. And I need to move this little yellow one here. So there, I think that turned out pretty cute. Now let's see if I can lay anything down on this side. So this first prompt, I'm going to put top priority, me, is what is one thing I would like to do more of this week? How can I make it happen? And then the second one says, what important needs do I have that aren't being met? So I just put the little quiet time sticker down there. This banner says, I am doing this for me. And then this little pink sticker I told you had the clock and make time to, I'm putting it under one way to improve this week. So I think it'll work out pretty good there. So once I get all these stickers down, then off camera I'll just kind of fill in the blanks probably what I'll do is Sunday when I go to bed, just for my kind of wind down time, I'll go ahead and fill out all of these prompts and try to get myself geared up to have a good week next week. So we'll see how this wellness guided journal works out. This will be my first month or first time actually using the wellness. And I think I'll probably just kind of rotate between wellness, the radiate positivity, gratitude, and then the Teresa Collins. But we'll see how that works out. Now I need to kind of dress up this right hand side. So I'm just going to flip through the Pastels Mega Sticker Book and see what I can find in here. Now this sticker says goals, or goal actually, and it's underlined in a light pale yellow. So I thought that would be cute on the page. And now I'm just trying to find something that would kind of go with it. The only thing is I probably could have grabbed the Brights Mega Sticker Book instead of this Pastels because the colors don't quite match. I'm debating on a hexagon, but I think I'll just keep looking for something else. Now these circles are really cute. So maybe I could take a circle. Let me just look for a box over here. Yeah, I think I'm going to probably go with the circle. So I'm going to try to do yellow and purple. And now let's see, there was another top priority sticker somewhere that I saw. Let's see if I think I'll go with a yellow circle and then a purple star on the top priority. So we'll just kind of rotate the yellow and the purple together. I think that will turn out pretty cute. So let's try that. And then maybe we'll lay these down and probably just go look for another quote. So we'll put the yellow one here and then just kind of stagger the purple one. You guys know I like to stagger my stickers. I don't like everything lined up. So now I'm going to put the goal, the yellow goal with the purple circle. And then I'll take the top priority with the purple star and put it over the yellow box. This page is such a fun page to just make it look however you want to, make it fit all of your needs. So now I'm thinking that I need another quote. So let's just look. This is where I kind of really figure out that the colors don't match perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the encouragement one. Then I saw these boxes and I kind of debated on using them. There's some more. But back to the initial plan. Let's find another quote to go down here towards the bottom somewhere. I love this sticker. It says deep breaths are like little love notes to your body. So I think I'm going to use that one. And I'll put it right here above the habit trackers. And it turns out really cute there. So of course, got to rub it down. I just think that the stickers look so much better when you actually adhere them fully to the page. So now I'm thinking that I might just stick a couple hearts around this quote. Now let's just see, there's a blue one. Yeah, that turned out really cute there. So let's see what else we can find. I like this pink heart that says myself. So we'll put that here. I just really want to focus this month on trying to feel better. I go through ups and downs. I have, a couple good days and then several bad days. So I know that there are things that I could do to improve the way I feel. So if I could just get a handle on drinking more water and, going for walks, things like that, I would probably feel better. So I want to try to spend October working on how I feel and see if I can't get myself feeling better. So I want something to go underneath this make yourself proud quote. And I'm thinking maybe like a long box would work good. But the problem is the last one that I just chose was a little bit too long. Then I come to this sticker book and I find another long one here. It matches the spread really well. So I thought I could probably do some sticker surgery. The top of it says Happy Life. And then it's just got a bunch of the colors, like the same colors that are on the borders of these pages. So I'm going to cut the bottom off and then lay the long box down and just kind of put the two together to make it look like one shorter sticker. So I actually tried to lay it here and it's a little bit too long. So thank goodness for wax paper. I didn't rip anything when I was pulling it up. So there. Now let's just put the bottom back on it, but I just overlap it a lot to kind of shorten the whole box. And I think it fits perfectly. So I love the way this turned out, and I'm actually looking forward to starting a wellness journey in October. I'm still going to use this guided journal every day. I'm still going to bring it to bed with me and decorate my spreads. I just won't be sharing probably a whole lot with you guys. So other than this weekly layout plan with me, I may continue that. So here it is. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it and you'll give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.